Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made my little glam corner right here. It is super inexpensive, very easy to make, and super affordable. Most of the stuff I got it from the dollar store, Dollar Tree, and also from Goodwill. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this plus sign I got it from Goodwill. It says it was $2.99, but when I got it, it was half off. So I ended up getting it for about $1.50. I really like it. It's super cute. The other item I got from Goodwill was this end letter. It was about $1.99, but I took off the label. It was $1.99, and also what I got from Goodwill is this little stand right here. And this was $2.99 as well. And I just use it to put my jewelry and just to put my little candle right here. And this candle I got it from Dollar Tree. And also I got this one from Goodwill as well. I got two. They were $1.99 each. And this is not glued to this stand. It's just over it. But it's I don't really want to glue it in there. So for this little container right here, I got the container from Dollar Tree, and I just filled it up with this little beads that I had just hanging around my home. And basically I just put this lid, it's not meant to be for that one, but it fits perfectly. It's actually from this little container that's also from Dollar Tree, and this one fits perfectly in there. So I got two of those, and I just spray paint the cap with this spray paint, the metallic gold, and just gave it that little rusty look. And also this love letters, I cut them out with my Cricut, and these are not vinyl. These are actually also from the Dollar Tree, and it's the chalkboard crop it stickers. It comes in a 2-piece, and it's pretty big. I really like to use this as vinyl too. It holds just as well as the permanent vinyl, and it's just really easy to weave. So if you don't have Cricut, you can also do it freehand, or you can also buy those stickers that they sell at the Dollar Tree and just put them in there. Another thing that I also got from Dollar Tree is this little hello love frame, and I haven't taken out the plastic just because I have a toddler son and I'm afraid he might break it because he already broke one. So I'm afraid he's gonna get the glass all over, so I prefer just to keep that in. Also, this is from Dollar Tree, and this little booklets right here, these 3 little booklets I got from Sally Beauty about 3 to 4 years ago. I would say about 3 years, when they were giving out free stuff. If you would purchase an item, they would give you this for free. I don't know if they still do that. It's been a long time since I haven't gone to Sally Beauty, but I got those 3 for free, and this is just my Bible. These are also a couple of things I got for free at Sally Beauty with the purchase of a product. It's this Hello Beautiful cup and this little glass. Well, this one I actually paid about $4.99. It was during the Christmas time, and I think these are like seasonal items that they have just on Christmas time. They used to have it in silver and in gold, but the gold really got really ugly on this. So what I did is just put Mod Podge and put glitter on it and just sealed it again with Mod Podge, and that gave it like the little glittery glam look. This was just a gift on Christmas, and this was also from Sally Beauty. I believe this one you would purchase 3 hair colors and you would get this little bag for free. So it's very cute. Another thing that I want to show you that I also got for free is this nice umbrella, like for summer, spring. And this was also a gift from Sally Beauty. With the purchase of a hair appliance, you would get this umbrella for free. So it's brand new. I haven't used it yet. Hopefully I will during this April summer vibes, right? So on the bottom, I just basically keep my storages, my alcohol, my wipes, my air freshener, just some empty bottles so I can do my DIYs. And this little baskets I also got at Dollar Tree, and I just got 3 of them. So I don't really like to show that because it's not really part of my video, right? And just this bag, this was a gift from my sister. It was my birthday about 4 years ago, more or less. These guys, I can't have enough of these. I've been obsessed by creating these. These are my first ones that I actually made, and the glasses are actually from Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you a tutorial how to do them, not this exact ones because I forgot to do a video based on this because I didn't know how they were going to turn out, but I'm going to do a similar one, just different color. And these are just, I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to get my Cricut or anything. This just came exactly the way it is. I just put the glitter inside with the Mod Podge, and these letters are from that same chalkboard stickers. They're not vinyl. This is the only one that's from the Dollar Tree, the one that they sell for the wallpaper and stuff. And yeah, these are super inexpensive to make and they look super cute. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to be doing are glitter brush holders, and these are all items from the Dollar Tree except for the Mod Podge, which is big, but they do sell the Mod Podge at Dollar Tree. The glitters and the cups and the wallpaper stickers are also from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be doing this MAC brush holder in black, and I'm already going to pre-cut my labels from Cricut, and like I said, if you don't have the Cricut, you can also do it freehand or use those wallpapers from the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to be doing after we clean our glasses, we're going to go ahead and get our glitters, and I'm going to go ahead and use 2 little packets of these black glitters and pour them into just a little cup so it can be easier to pour it out to my brush holders. Once you have that ready, go ahead and give it a good shake so they can mix all together real nice and blended. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get my Mod Podge and just slightly stroke using light strokes, guys. Don't use too much, just create a nice thin layer inside your glass so it will be easier to dry. Once you're finished with the Mod Podge, go ahead and pour that glitter inside and just go ahead and just give it a good swirl little by little so that the Mod Podge can be attached to all the glitter that we're going to be putting. Go ahead and do that slowly, just give it a nice little twirl, making sure it covers all of the glass inside. Once you're done putting the glitter, you're gonna go ahead and leave it in for about 24 hours and go ahead and just create another Mod Podge layer so it can go ahead and seal all the glitter in. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna show you how I created this little panel of flowers for my backdrop, and I used approximately 20 flowers. I didn't get this at Dollar Tree, but I did get them at a store called Omega Dollar where they sell these flowers for about 79 cents, so it was pretty cheap. Okay guys, so first of all, you're going to be needing a foam poster board, and you're just going to be going and doing little holes in it. I'm going to be poking out the holes as I go, putting on my flowers. So basically I'm showing you here the end of the last rows that I'm going to put, and I just poke that hole in, and you want to go ahead and cut off that stem. You just want to go ahead and leave that rosebud in and just put that dab of glue gun and just insert that little rosebud in there. It is kind of time consuming, but because you do have to cut the rose stem and all of that, but it's gonna look so beautiful and so worth it at the end. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to do this containers out of marble, and I'm going to be using just an empty formula can. And I already cleaned it from the inside. You just want to go ahead and take off that wrapper from the outside. You're also going to be needing some shelf liners, and I got this at Walmart for about $5. You're just going to go ahead and cut it to the size where your label, like the same size your label was. And you're going to go ahead and get that corner of the shelf liner and just adjust it a little bit to the center of your can. It is kind of tricky. You do need some time to get the hang of it, to get it right in the center, but just continue to go and trying to put it as best as you can, making sure it doesn't create any more bubbles so it can be really nice and smooth. Okay guys, so once you're done, you can always go ahead and put that lid on the bottom or on the top of the can. I prefer to put my lid on top of the can just because I like to keep all of my little things inside in place. Okay guys, so now we're going to be doing our little nest. You're going to need about 6 of these. You're also going to need some little cords so you can wrap it around. I already pre-cut my little cords, and basically what you want to do is just get the little cord and just make 2 little knots in between those 2 little nests, and you're gonna need about 6 of these little nests. You're also gonna need a little flower. I already cut out the stem from this little flower and just poke it inside the little nest and just gave it a little nice swirl so it can stay put. And that's it guys. I did 6 of these. Just to go ahead and fold them one next to each other, stack them up all up in there, and that's pretty much it. Super easy. So for my little container that I put inside my nest, I'm going to be using an empty jar of coconut oil. I already pre-cleaned it, so I'm just going to go ahead and take off the cap, and I'm going to go ahead and spray paint it with this gloss cotton candy pink and wait about 24 hours before I go ahead and put my flowers in. Once you have that ready for 24 hours after, I'm going to go ahead and fold my flowers and just place them inside. And it's that easy, super quick, it's super cute. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and find it useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe so I can keep on bringing you some more DIYs and creative ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.